Hello everyone, welcome to the Web3 Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about Ajuna network. I'm going to show you how to get the gift package for free by end of this video. Ajuna network is a Web3 gaming built on Substrate, and they have the season 1 just ended already. It's quite successful. They have those avatars where you can mint, and you have different parity, you can upgrade, and you can also sell with Bajun token. There are free mints as well, and also you can buy with Bajun. So for those of you, if you miss that, don't worry. The season 2 will be coming soon. Hopefully by this month we are going to have the season 2, and to get ready for that, here this video I'm going to show you how to get a free package so you can get ready for season 2. AI Web3 Chinese community, they collaborate with Ajuna and organize the competition. If you are interested, you can write articles and you can forward, retweet. They have Cruise 3 events as well. So to get this free gift package, you just need to DM those admin in the Ajuna Discord and use a message referral code AI Web3, and once you are on board, you have a lot of interesting opportunities, just like the OG Oracle, where you can participate in the events that's a free giveaway, and you can also have the most wanted, where you can find the avatar and buy it. So for those of you, if you use that AI Web3 code, you will join and get mini OG, and if you buy any avatar, you will be upgraded to the OG. They also have the weekly AMA updates, and you can get the rewards as well. And if you join the AI Web3, you are going to also have the opportunity to join the Cruise 3 event. You can go to the bot channel to use the daily command and get the points every day, and you can also upgrade your Discord role. So it's quite interesting. Join and get the free gift. So again, you just need to DM the admin in the Ajuna Discord and use the code AI Web3. Then you will get the free gift and get ready for the season 2. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.